up in the middle of the night just to see your face, just to see you smile. It's been some time, it's been a while. It's unfamiliar but still reminds me of the greatest day that I ever saw. Well, some time ago, but it still lives on. Close my eyes, don't last too long. There you were, now here we are. I found home. Yeah, that's easier. And we wonder why. I guess I'm not too afraid of dying, just afraid of living too fast in life. There's no amount of time when you don't exist. Of course, life itself, it is the greatest gift. The heart's desire is my only wish. We could have a dollar, I will show you this. I said, I found home. It gets easier.
Do have a lost and found down here at the announcer shack. Also, we're missing a silver wedding ring.
We got Red Bull sponsoring the event.
Are you recording right now?
I couldn't break through the crust, you know, it was shit. It was kind of icy and crusty up there, but
yeah,
it wasn't bad. You know, it was fun, it was cool. Just not quite, maybe not quite skiing conditions.
How's your Valdez hill climb going?
It's pretty exciting. Freaking tumbled down once. Almost, no, I did get twice. Tumbled, but you know, we're learning every single time we go out.
Tell me something that I don't know. Give me nothing but love and hope. I hope I can find my paradise. down under, and all I've seen beyond the wonders, and still I dream. I know I can make that sacrifice. What is hopeless and what is real? I wish I knew how I feel. I hope I can find that love inside. Give me shelter, bring me along. There's a place where we all belong. Still I wonder, where's my paradise? Takes me back to where we started. When you're all alone,
You got Red Bull sponsoring the event.
say that
Are you recording right now?
I
think so.